Hello, my name is Natalia Willett-Grice, and I am the owner of LCO Law. Let's talk a little bit about living trust because that's why you've clicked on this thing. So, a living trust is a type of estate planning vehicle that helps your family, when properly funded, stay out of the probate courts and out of guardianship court. So, it helps on both those things, whether you are living or deceased. It helps keep your family out of expensive litigation, and going to court is very expensive. And not only that, it's very time consuming. So, we create trusts, which are private agreements. That say, here's what assets I'm putting into this vehicle, this trust. I get to manage them during my lifetime. That's why they're called living trusts. And then when I pass away, my successor trustees, the people that I trust that I've appointed to distribute things out to my beneficiaries, will carry out these tasks. And there's lots of different varieties of living trusts. There are some bare bone ones that I've seen. We try to have as robust of a living trust for our clients as possible because there's so many things that can happen. Your beneficiaries can become disabled or incapacitated, so they might need special needs things. You might have assets that involve retirement accounts. And so if you have assets that involve retirement accounts, we need to have special language to address those. You might own businesses. And so we need special language to make sure that your trustees can manage those businesses and not get in trouble tax-wise or administratively regarding those businesses, right? So it's all about that. In the trust is where you can also point who's going to be the person that manages the money for minor children, how money for minor children is managed, when your children receive the benefits of your estate, especially if you have like teens or young adults, right? You don't want them receiving everything all at once. That can be quite risky. They could lose all of their inheritance if it's done this way. So trusts allow you to gradually distribute things out. It allows you to protect those assets against the creditors of your beneficiaries. So there's asset protection that can be done for your beneficiaries in those trusts. Trusts are a wonderful way to not only avoid probate and avoid guardianship, but to keep all of these transactions in your life and what you work so hard to create private and out of the eyes of those who would otherwise see it in probate court or guardianship court.